This is probably your face for this tax season. How about that? I know it's your face because I have been reading all the comments on YouTube, all the comments online, and people are very, very frustrated. So, honestly, I could not help myself. I had to come on here and do a personal one-on-one video to just talk to you and give you some updates on what is going on with the IRS and to kind of cue you in, seeing that I have been working in this system for quite a while in the income tax system. As you know, I am CEO of First Invest Inc. and Zippy Taxes, so I know how this thing goes. But this tax season is taking people for an entire loop. Listen to this. I'm going to demystify some things that have been stated online that are not true. For example, you do not have to report your gig income. Not true. If you earned over $600 that is being reported to the IRS, or you know you earned it, you need to put it on your tax return. It is called gig income, hobby income, okay? Side hustle income. All of that needs to be on your tax return. Another thing, some of you have taken advanced tax credits. Let me be specific, advanced child tax credits. Did you know that you will be paying that money back this year? So, if the IRS has sent you a form and you decided not to include it on your taxes, they are going to halt your return, do what they call a check, and they're going to make sure that that money is being allocated on your tax return, because guess what? You're paying that money back. So it wasn't advanced to you last year. You probably got a check for a few months from the IRS. That was that advanced child tax credit. You are going to pay that back. Another thing, if you are dealing in any type of foreign currency, Bitcoin, trading, holding stock, guess what? You got to report that on your income taxes. Listen, let me explain to you how people get caught up, how they think they're getting away with something, but they're not getting away. See, most institutions have to report any type of income that they send you to the IRS. Yeah, they got to report it. So when they ask you to put in your Social Security number, guess what? If they sent you money, they're going to report it. So if you think that you don't have to report any type of foreign currency, it doesn't matter. They're not going to find out about your Bitcoin, your Coinbase, whatever. They're going to find out. And guess what? Halt on your tax return, adjustments, and then it's going to come to you. If you are wondering why you have not received your refund thus far, it's probably halt, on hold. Why is it on hold? Because your documents are being checked against another system that shows the IRS what should be reported on your income taxes. So if you missed this W-2, or you missed this 1099-R, which is a pension, or you missed recording your advanced child tax credit, or you missed that shareholders income that you got through that K-1, or you missed other tax credits that you know you should have on your tax return, or you missed a 1099 NIC, which is a non-employee compensation, or you missed a 1099 miscellaneous, halt. You have not been stopped. Your return is now on hold. Halt. Yes, I said it. Halt, whatever you want to call it, it's on hold. And when they are done making sure you have recorded all of your income, your refund. That which is left will be released. So, let me dispel all of the theories, all of the this dates and this date and that dates. Listen, they have a whole new system in the Internal Revenue Service. They have new auditors just for individuals. They're not trying to do anything against you. They just want to make sure things are counted. Another thing, if you use any of these other softwares and you didn't have an accountant who has a professional tax software, yeah, you may be on hold too. So, when you file early, most of the time, the documents haven't even came out yet. The documents are still being sent via employer, via investor, via investment, via brokerage. Hasn't happened yet till the end of January. So if you filed somewhere beginning of January or somewhere right around the e-file time, when documents are normally not sent until the end of January, halt. You are on hold. Now, I'm not saying this for everyone. I don't know everyone. I am on here talking about a simple subject of taxes. So what should you do? Now that I've said all that, what should you do moving forward? In all honesty, you really need to get a tax company, an accountant, not just a tax company, because I'm not going to say a tax company. I'm going to say you need an accountant to handle your income taxes, especially if you are gigging. Listen, I can tell you right now, you probably missed about $8,000 of expenses for your gig. And I won't even tell you where it's at. Why would I tell you? Because me telling you is not going to help you, because the form that I tell you to file, you have to be experienced to file the form. So I could tell you, but I don't want to frustrate you and tell you what it is. But I know most people miss it. Yeah, they miss it. I'll just say it has to do with your car or your truck or whatever. And whatever program you're using, if you are not a professional, it's not going to tell you what you should be using. It is not going to give you that deduction. You want to know why? Because as a professional, you should already know what that deduction should be. And I can tell you right off the bat, you're probably missing about $8,000 on that deduction. So, I've almost talked for 10 minutes. I normally don't even talk this long, but I had to come on here and talk about this year. So listen, if any of the things that I've said apply to you, hold on, be patient. You will get your refund after they have double checked and made sure that all of your income has been included and all of the advance payments that you've gotten have been included also. If you have any questions or comments, you can, email me, give me a phone call. I don't mind. You can, click in the link. I'm on Google. You can find me. It's not that big. It's not that hard. But I just had to chime on and say this. Listen, don't be frustrated. It will all work out. Moving forward, please hire someone who is experienced, who can help you do your income taxes, or take a class, do something to help up your game in income taxes. Let me tell you, the IRS has gotten smarter and smarter, and the systems are getting colder and colder. They are able to track all types of income and deductions and credits right now. So don't play yourself, okay? Talk to you in the next video. Bye.